सुर में गाना सीखिए पाधानीसा ऐप के साथ AI powered personal music teacher from Saregama.
Mr. President, friends, we have many institutions and organizations in our country, and today we see the birth of yet another. And yet, perhaps it will not be redundant or be a duplication of work, because we find that in spite of our wishes, in spite of the clear direction which was given to our party from the very beginning, the concepts of democracy, of socialism, of secularism are not yet clear in the minds of our people. It was after considerable consideration that we chose the path of democracy. Not because it is the quickest path, perhaps it isn't, but because it is the path which helps the people to grow to political maturity. And we felt that that was most important for our people. For them to feel involved in what is happening in the country, to participate in the development of the country, this can only be done if they have certain choices open to them. And this is a system which gives them that choice. What can be more easy in a country like India to arouse people emotionally with slogans of religion, with slogans of language, or with other regional interests? And these are some of the matters which come in the way of our progress and of speedy development. We are a country steeped in tradition. Can we really be democratic unless we sweep away some of that tradition which is not relevant to the life of today? But we find how many of our functions, how much of our time goes in something which has happened long, long ago. I have nothing against the religious functions of people. But how much time can we spend remembering something that happened thousands of years ago, or maybe did not even happen in the way we think it happened? So much of it is looking back. Even our national leaders, they are great leaders. They have inspired us. They have brought the country forward. They have given us independence. But the new generation has to go forward. It cannot keep looking back, however great a person was. But so much of our energy goes in observing festivals and other things looking backwards. You cannot look backward and go forward. You have to make up your mind which you want to do. There can be no democracy if you're looking backwards. There can be no democracy if you have a communal outlook and you have false barriers between men and men, citizen and citizen. There can be no democracy if you do not have socialism. Because democracy and inequality cannot coexist. We talk of socialism, of equality, but we almost always think of it merely in terms of the economic program. Can there be equality if one says this man cannot drink where I am drinking? This man cannot sit with me where I am sitting? It doesn't matter what economic programs you have. If this situation continues as we have in parts of our country, you can't have democracy, no matter how well your parliament or your assembly work. So these are some fundamental matters to which we have to give thought, and I'm sure that this institute, which is beginning, will go into the depth of many of these matters and try to educate public opinion so that more and more of our people not only think about these things, but make up their minds to act.
ਰੂੜੀ ਨਦੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਵੇ, ਲੋਕ ਰੂੜੀ ਨਦੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਵੇ।
आजा कहती है ये इशारों में, कोई अरमाना प्यासा रहे मेरे सीने में, जागा जागा सा आज तू पना प्यासा रहे, सोचे है क्यों मेरी जान, आजा 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 फिर बहारे कहाँ, फिर बहारे कहाँ, फिर बहारे कहाँ। खुदा हमसे छुड़ा हमको खुशी की भीख दे, ऐ खुदा हमसे छुड़ा हमको खुशी की भीख दे, हम अंधेरों में घिरे हैं रोशनी की भीख दे, ऐ खुदा हमसे छुड़ा हमको खुशी की
Kamala Nayanake, Rag Gauri, Tal Porital. This Geet is a description of the infinite beauty and variety of Lord Krishna. The beauty of his form and attire soothes the eyes, while the fragrance of sandalwood and musk deer emanate from his body. Madhavdeva is enchanted by this timeless beauty, as all the world is, and so sings his praises. It is sung at night.
Jorita के सलाए जो बायाना स्मितायावलोकाना आलापातिलापा मुहे हो हवा जगाबान दाना नांदाकु नांदाना हवा जगाबान दाना नांदाकु दाना कहा या माधव गोटी मुहे काम लानाया नाके आजू पे खलो माई गोविंदा पे ना